Everyone, my name is Francis, and today I will show you a website that can be really helpful if you are in business management. For now, I am in the Springboard to DCS at Montmorency College, but for the next semester, I will study in business management. I expect to be in this program for the next 3 years, and after going to university in administration. In the business management program, I will learn a lot of things. For example, setting up an advertising campaign, managing the commercial operations of a business, developing a business plan and conduct market research, and many other things. The website I'm going to show you really helped me to better understand the business world, and it also helped me to know more about myself. It is also great for people who are starting an organization or for people who want to improve their lead and manage in their current organization. So what you have to do is to add a new tab, and in the address bar at the top of the screen, you type the URL, which is managementl.org. In the bottom left corner of your screen, you can learn how to improve yourself, how to work with others, with groups, how to lead and manage in your organization, how to improve your organization, and how to consulting to solve problems in organizations. For example, if you click on Improve Yourself, you can improve yourself on a lot of things. On your writing, on your reading, on your learning, on your planning and organizing, and more. Each of them has an activity. And if you go on the right hand side of your screen, you can test many things about yourself. You can test your assertiveness, your comprehension, your forgiveness, your gratitude, your memory, your personality, and each of them has a quiz. If you come back at the top of the website, you can see on the left hand side of the screen that the website suggests you book. If you click on that, there's going to be a list of suggest book that the website reviewed all of them to ensure their relevance and practicality in each of their major categories. For example, if you want to buy a book on sales, you click here on sales, and the website recommends you the best book on the market, and you can buy it directly on Amazon. If you want to go back in the main page, you go in the top right corner of the screen and you click on home. So thank you for listening to my video, and I hope you will use this website.